Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our ongoing series on habits for leaders. And today we want to talk about the habits of conflict resolution. So what are you used to doing? Dealing with it or avoiding conflicts? And last week we talked about handling negative situations in general. Handling conflicts takes this to a deeper level.
And there are many reasons why we may prefer to avoid conflict resolution. No time, too many deadlines, hoping that it'll resolve itself, maybe minimizing the conflict or its impact, and being afraid to hurt other people. There's so many reasons.
And if conflicts stay on and they are not handled, though, this tends to have an impact on the overall morale of people. And the situation ends up perceived through the lens of the conflicts too, which may alter how it's seen and interpreted. And collaborations become even more difficult over time.
Right. So there's a lot out there about conflict management, and we're not pretending to have all the answers here. But there's some important elements that are recommended over and over. So first, create a safe space so that people can speak about what's going on. Next, make it easier for everyone to see the perspectives of the other side. Every person has his or her convictions for a reason, and there may be some truth in them, even if you don't agree with everything. Speak in a way that's not accusing, but is kept to the facts, how the situation makes people feel and why, and what is necessary to get out of the situation.
And it's possible that as the leader, your role will be mainly to mediate and create the conditions for people to listen to each other instead of just defending what they believe is true. And sometimes they only want a listening ear and not someone that comes up with possible solutions. And giving them the opportunity to solve the issue themselves can be helpful in the future.
And if you're involved in a conflict yourself, get some help from a more neutral party. We know it can be difficult to open up to seeing other perspectives than your own. So become aware of what's really going on. Is it just the situation, or is there something underlying it?
And in any conflict situation, if you are handling the specific situation and looking for solutions for that particular thing, you may be doing some symptomatic resolution instead of creating a structural solution. So look for patterns that recur over time.
We're curious about your experiences with this, so please share with us in the comments, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.